Dr. Rachel Hall of Evolved Dental in Kenmore. I'm going to talk to you about dental crowns, what they are, why we use them, when they're recommended, the different types of crowns, and what crown is going to be most suitable for you and your situation. So a crown is a restoration that we make to cover over your tooth. It's like a little crash helmet that goes all the way over the top and the sides. It helps rebuild a tooth and it helps make a tooth strong and durable so that it can withstand the forces of biting and chewing when you're eating or when you clench and grind your teeth. Now, the reason we would recommend a crown is any tooth that's got a big filling in is weak and fragile, and it's at risk of fracturing or breaking, and we want to hold that tooth together and make it strong again. We'd also put a crown on a tooth that has any structural cracks and weaknesses that can happen just during the lifetime of the tooth. A crown helps rebuild the shape, the size and the structure of the tooth back to normal. That way you can chew comfortably and you're going to have a tooth that is strong and functional and at very low risk of fracture or breakage. So there's different types of crowns. There's all ceramic, which is a porcelain material. Tooth coloured, looks very, very natural. There's ceramic bonded to a metal layer. Now that is used more on back teeth to add strength, but in my practice we like to be metal free and have really natural looking dentistry, so that we will use different types of ceramics for on your front teeth and different types for on your back teeth where they need to be harder to withstand those chewing forces. There are gold crowns. And if you like a little bit of bling, gold's very good because it can be made very, very thin. It's also very good for the back teeth. But if you want a beautiful cosmetic result, then gold's probably not right for you. Then there are cheaper types of crowns that don't last as long, and these are made from acrylics and precious metals. And they're a much cheaper option, but as I said, they're not very long lasting. So when would we do a crown? We would do a crown on back teeth that are more than 60% filled or have had bits break away. So if you've lost a side or part of your tooth, then a crown is a very good solution for rebuilding that, making it nice and strong. And why would we put a crown in instead of a filling? Well, sometimes you just can't fill the tooth because what's missing is too big and the filling material just won't work. It won't be strong enough, or it won't last. Or if the decay or the break is quite close or under the gum line, you can't seal that very easily with a filling, whereas the crown fits really tight and snug because it's custom made from special imprints that we take of your tooth. We would also use a crown on root-filled teeth because these are much weaker and more fragile. We can crown teeth that are discoloured, misshaped or misaligned. So if you have heavily filled teeth or teeth that are broken, crowns are a perfect solution. And for you, we'd recommend ceramic on those back teeth. If you want your front teeth to look really cosmetically enhanced and beautiful, then there is different types of feldspathic ceramic that just looks so much like real tooth. It's very, very hard to tell the difference now between a really high quality ceramic crown and your natural tooth. Now, all our crowns at Evolved Dental in Kenmore are made here in Australia because we know what materials are in them. So the process is that we shape the tooth, we make a temporary crown cover, and then we get your real crown made by a master ceramic craftsman. And then there's a second appointment to fit that crown for you. So if you've got a heavily filled back tooth or a broken back tooth, a crown is an ideal solution. If you've got dark and discoloured teeth, or you've been told your teeth have got cracks and weaknesses in, then a crown is the perfect way to rebuild the tooth, change the colour, change the shape and hold the structure together. So if you want to know if you need a crown, and if you do need a crown, what type of crown is going to be the most suitable for you, then give us a call and we can have a look, book an appointment and we can tell you the best type of crown for you. Our number is 37201811, so give us a call today and we'll help you discover the best solution for your teeth and your smile.